My name is Mark Hillick. I'm the CISO at Brex.
As the company scales, identity naturally becomes more complex and convoluted. I think if you don't know who did what, when they did it, how they did it, then really from a security perspective, you're flying blind. So as a result, if you think about it from an identity perspective, everyone who works at Brex should have the necessary access to do their job. However, they shouldn't have any more access on that. So things like, birthright access, that doesn't mean that you have that forever. It also doesn't mean that if you change jobs or change roles, you keep the access. And previously, before ConductorOne, that was hard for us to implement. I would say ConductorOne was the right fit because it enabled us to automate the access request process. It reduced OpEx significantly across the GRC and IT teams.
In terms of sheer numbers, I think we've roughly done 45,000 to 50,000 requests since we've implemented ConductorOne. Last weekend, we added 400 entitlements roughly. We leveraged Terraform for that, and we simply could not have done that before. One of the really nice things about Terraform is that it enables us to do things within code. So that's a very tactical example of how OpEx has been reduced, probably less than 10% of what it would have been in the past, which is incredibly important for us. Being a fintech, we're in a highly regulated industry. We're very happy to see the executive sponsorship from the C-level within the POC. Since we have been running ConductorOne in production, I think we've seen 3 to 5 more feature requests implemented. So if you think about it, there is definitely that mutual skin in the game. So if I was to describe ConductorOne to one of my peers or another security leader, for example, I would describe it as the future of identity access.